Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see the system information of a Jenkins server. How to see the system information. So we have to go to manage Jenkins. We have to get to click manage Jenkins, and then we have to scroll down to the system information. And the system information, we have we have one icon named system information. We have to click this. Okay, and under this there will be a lot of parameters. These are all system properties, so system property parameters. Okay, that Java exiting directory is this, Java home is this, Java runtime is this version, OS version is this, OS name is this, and then the main memory usage. What is the current memory usage? This is the available memory usage, and this is the current memory usage. Okay, this is the current usage of the memory. It's really minimal. Okay, and what are the thread pools? Thread dumps. These are all the thread dumps. If you have to click this page, you can see all the thread dumps. Okay, guys, you have seen the system information tag, and now we will move on to the next system logs. If you want to see the system logs, then you have to go under this. It will show all the system logs of Jenkins. Guys have started this, downloading this plugin, but there is some error. All the errors, all the Jenkins loggers, you can see under this system logs. Okay, all the system logs, all the errors you can see in the system logs. Load statistics, it will show the load. Online executor, busy executors, queue length, available executors. So all are zero at the current point. Okay, because we have not triggered any job, so everything is zero. Okay, guys. Then is troubleshooting. Managing old data. We don't have any data, old data, so it's empty. Then comes the most interesting Jenkins CLI. You can access various features in Jenkins to the command line called Jenkins CLI. You have to just run this command. You have to download this Jenkins CLI jar and run it as follows. After downloading this CLI jar, you have to run this command, and after running this command on your command prompt or your terminal, you will be able to run Jenkins CLI. Okay, guys. So I hope you understood how to see the system files, system property parameters under this, how to see the system logs, how to see the load statistic executors running all the stats you can see under this. And if you want to install Jenkins CLI, so you can go to here and download this jar and run this command to connect to Jenkins CLI. Okay, guys, let's meet up in the next video. Subscribe the YouTube channel, hit the like button. Goodbye, guys.